Hey everyone, Tech Vibe here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check friend requests you sent on Facebook. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up the Facebook app here. And once you open it up, you want to basically go to the Friends tab here. So I have the Friends tab open here. And once you do that, you're going to see friend request or any pending friend request here. You're going to click on See All. Now, once you see all, or it might open like this for you, you're going to tap on these three dots up top here that says right next to friend dot. And that's going to show you a menu called View Sent Requests. If I tap on that, I can see all of the requests that I have sent to people that I wanted to be friends with. So as you can see here, these are the ones I have. And if I wanted to cancel something, right? Let's say I didn't want to be friends with someone, I can just hit cancel, and that's going to cancel the request that I sent to them. So you can go ahead and see them and you cancel it as well. So that's how you see the friend requests you sent on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next.